Before we start, I would like to say that if you have any issues with my projects, or you just want to have a nice chat, I also have a Discord, and its link will be down in the description. But for now, welcome to my channel, and this is my setup. So, the keyboard that I use is the Razer Black Widow Elite. And as my mouse, I use the Corsair Harpoon RGB. I also have a Razer Goliath Extended Chroma mouse mat. I also use this Behringer XR18 as an audio interface for my computer. And then I have this very old Samsung monitor, which is a SyncMaster 2253LW, which isn't even 1080p. My computer, on the other hand, is a Ryzen 7 2700, 8GB of RAM and a GTX 1060.